Henry, fast to begin, moving up on the outside, boom, boom, boom. Instant comes next, then followed by Royal Academy. Hieroglyphics is racing by the Porta. Then followed up on the outside by Sweet Talk. Alongside comes Friends for Never. Then followed up on the outside by Hudson Oak, Angie Gray. And going along for the first turn, Sir Henry just in front. Hieroglyphics moving up down on the inside. We have Hieroglyphics and Sir Henry fighting it out for the lead. Boom, boom, boom is racing in third. And in fourth comes Royal Academy. Instant is racing in fifth. The Sordo are now moving up to take six. New Golden City seventh. And in eighth comes Sweet Talk. Then followed up by Pandemonium. Angie Gray third last. The second last Hudson Oak and Friends for Never. And it's still Sir Henry by only 3 for the Balenga. Hieroglyphics is pushing down on the inside. And in third comes Boom Boom Boom. As they come down the last 200. Sir Henry is still in front. Hieroglyphics is running down on the inside. And in third comes Boom Boom Boom. New Golden City. Last 100 meters. Sir Henry. Hieroglyphics is fighting. Sir Henry, Hieroglyphics. And finally, it's a post finish. Hieroglyphics and Sir Henry. Then comes New Golden City, sort of war.
At meron nga po tayong photo finish dito sa ating race number 3, race number 4. 129.4 ang naitalang preba with quarters of 12 and a half, 24 and a half, 25 and still finishing at 27 and a half.
Parang namulugan ng dati ko po si Kay Villabono, kaya mawala siyang nawa ko. Doon sa may last 400, parang nakita ko yung kung pagtalo niya ng kaliwa, nabitawan niya yung lagi. Kaya parang yung hand drive na lang yun.
Pwede naman natin tanongin eh.
Kung maririnig lang tayo. Anyway, makikita natin mamaya yan sa ating slow-mo replay.